Good morning everyone. I am Varsha, your mentor from Apple International School. So students, as you know, no matter how well you prepare for your exam, but if you are not able to put all your knowledge in the right way on your answer sheet, then all your hard work goes in vain. So today I want to discuss with you some of the tricks or tips to attempt your exam in the best possible manner. So listen it carefully. So first one is make the right use of additional 15 minutes. So almost all the school boards have introduced the concept of additional 15 minutes for examinations before students start writing their exam. This additional 15 minutes is provided for the students to read the question paper properly and draft a plan in their mind how they will solve the questions without getting panicked. The second one is don't worry about the tough ones. So the moment you find that there are some tough questions, naturally you start worrying about them. But this is not required. It will only harm your performance. So remain stress-free during the exams. The third point is ensure speed and accuracy. So always use quicker methods in calculations to ensure that you are not wasting your time and your answers are correct. The fourth point is avoid thinking too much about the questions. So thinking about the questions before you attempt them is essential, but it is not an extent that you are wasting a lot of time only on one question. The fifth point is avoid using slang words. So written English is different from the spoken English. Using slang words or SMS language are counted as a spelling mistake and you will be penalized for the same. Sixth point is use easy language. So while writing your answers, make sure that you use easy language. The seventh point is be neat and clean. So while writing your answers, write in neat and legible handwriting. Not everyone has beautiful handwriting. Anyone can write with proper space and proper punctuations and in a legible handwriting. The eighth point is revise your questions. So usually question papers are set in such a way that after attempting all the questions, students should be left with 5 to 10 minutes to revise your questions. So don't waste your time and revise your questions. So students, I hope you all are completely clear with all the tricks to get a good marks in examinations. So prepare well for the flourishing result in academics. All the best.